Assalamu alaikum. I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is A Tale of Fishing. Let's start. There was once a poor man. He had a fishing rod. One day he wanted to catch a fish, but a needle came up. He tried once again. This time he found a net. It was torn. He tried again. There was no fish. He got a basket. The poor man became very sad. He sat down by the river. He thought and thought, what can I do? He looked around. He saw the needle, the net, and the basket. He took the needle. He sewed the torn net. He caught fish with the net. This time he could catch the fish. He went to the market. He sold the fish and got some money. He bought rice and salt. He also bought oil and candles. He went back home. He was very happy. Thanks for listening to my story. Assalamu alaikum.